much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
Hello guys. What the heck guys? Aduh.
We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well.
What the heck
And I
guys?
know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I can lay down beside you, I
Hey guys, bentar lagi.
when nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if
Maafkan aku, alright. Mungkinkah masih ada waktu yang tersisa untuk